Today, I will show you the basic fashion rendering techniques using these 6 colors. I will now show you the color tone differences of each selected color, one by one. Now if you look at it, the colors are getting darker and darker one by one. The colors are broken up between the color changes because there is no blending. Now let's see how to blend one color to create a gradient between the other. Normally, to blend a color between 2 colors, you would take a lighter color and fill it in as the middle color. Please watch the video to see how to blend one color after another, following the steps I just mentioned. Please watch the video to see how to blend one color after another, following the steps I just mentioned. Now that when you look at it, there are no longer any lines that separate one color from another, like the original colored gradient. Let's see how to paint on a garment using the technique I just showed you. I've drawn 3 basic shapes to try rendering with this blending technique. I have selected 3 colors in here: lightest color shade, middle color, and the darker color for shadow. You are welcome to choose any 3 colors you like to apply the same technique. Layer the drawing using the lightest color as a base. Use the same color and layer some shadows. Select the middle color and layer another shadows. Be careful here. You are not layering on top of the base shadow. You are adding more contrast by adding a different layer of shadow. Do you see how the 2 colors are not blending well here? Pick up the base color, the lightest color, and blend it well for gradient effect. Now when you look at the sketch, you can kinda already see the gradient and dimensions of the sketch. But we want more contrast to elevate the drawing by adding shadow with a darker color. Be careful not to add too much shadow. Blend the colors more if required to look smoother. Now we are going to repeat the same technique using different colors on different shapes. If you want easier practice for color rendering and dress styles, my ready-to-color templates will make your process faster and easier. Find the link in the description below. And if you want to learn how to draw a fashion figure, you can watch this video next.